Cha, ndi wakelen. Rien. Kwazalo. Omid, oboda polanko. Oboda kuriela, orejela, it has regid. Ishite, chineke kule hojo. Aneku, ekeresmes, abaranaga. Omid, kania pipe, kolo di ishike, tinya inonodo, higi haga. Makana yoneletre, yeji shabru. Obo ya mere, anyewa bumbo teguregu, secondary, drama club, jawadru nyeguregu, nkanye bro, Christmas palava. Christmas palava. Okay, so ngore mamuni. Mmiri kongore, okoloke. Biko neget, kachuku gozum, ndeyo no.
Oh, we had a copia. Ane kukaleku. Woke madana kwam, na ya ga Christmas. Na ko woke madana kopi. You see this man. I can wish at this house. Whether you like it or not, talk about Christmas.
Biawanya?
Yes.
You make a noise.
I have been waiting for you to come out. Yes, okay, come check it. Big man, I have prepared for you today. Anyhow you want, I'll give it to you.
What is your problem? Let's go to more. BP patient come. Guys, BP patient come. Kawanya ne tirimumu. I want
Nani, remember give it to you. I have not taken you BP. Remember, you have not even given us shit, but you come for this Christmas. Hey, Papa, what's wrong with you? Don't give me money for me. I don't understand though. Don't give me money for me.
Ane go machina koroma koko Christmas. Are you not seeing the situation in the country? One bag of rice is 100,000 naira. My own salary is 50,000 naira.
I thought you said Philip added minimum wage in your salary. And Nani, this my here well.
Wanya no kwanoboda. Ane piana kwa minimum wage. Elenga tinibu no kaya minimum wage. Elenga tinibu no nyai minimum wage.
Papa, they will shit, Papa. Let me tell you, Papa. This man, it must be hot for me. TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, they must say my name. Yes, they must say my name. I just look like I'm not even a quick. I beg, Papa. No, that was Juma. Oh, Juma, wait, Hama. He doesn't know anything. He doesn't even know the range. Oh, wait, Hama. Papa, if you don't have borrow. You make that boy go and borrow. I don't tell stories, people. Go and borrow.
Don't worry. I know what to do. This year's Christmas is thereby cancelled.
You lie. You lie.
This woman before I give you back. Ask him to leave me alone. Look at this woman. Don't worry. This year's Christmas is cancelled. No nonsense.
Stupid man, what's my man for me? What's wrong with you? Stupid man. I'm sorry. Mama, you gotta have the guts to push me. Mama, sorry, Mama, don't worry, Mama. I know what to do. Mama, I have a friend, Mama, don't worry. I'll take care of that. Are you sure? Yes, Mama. Hello, Chief. Yes, Chief. Chief, I'm fine. Chief, I need some money. Okay, I should come and collect it. Thank you, Chief. Love you. Kisses. I love you so much. I'll come to our usual spot. Thank you. Mama, let me tell you. I am watching that Christmas at Tiaja. You see those CEO women. They will come. They will buy before you, Mama. Let me tell you. Mama, don't worry. Let me go and get the money. Mama, don't worry. Dance to your shoes. Better dance to your shoes. Because I don't. I am forgetting Christmas.
My brother. Oh, my dear brother. Oh, my brother. Come on, I'm going to be. Where oh, my mother. Everyone, wine and meeting. Don't be surprised. I make a meeting. My brother, what about that, my daughter? Ada. Don't worry. My brother, how are you guys handling this year's Christmas palaver? When you may Emana, I no longer sleep with my wife. Every day, when you're not pilum, my dear brother, I feel your pain. But my brother, are you not taking things too far? You are not sleeping with your wife. How will you be able to climb your Jericho?
brother, how will you climb your Jericho with that money?
Oh, Zoko, you need money to climb your Jericho.
My brother, I'm now cautious. Do you know that I do not sleep in my house until my wife and children have slept?
Oh, one minute, my
brother, sometimes my daughter how much you
Oh,
think about in a concrete. Can you just imagine?
Oh,
my brother.
Oh, my brother, sorry for your pain. Now let me tell you what I am facing in my own side. My brother, do you know that I told my wife and daughter that this year's Christmas is cancelled? My brother, in my own one year let people patient come. What not I beg them? Oh, people are coming up one more time. Oh, no, my brother, we do not beat women. What we do is to climb the Jericho. Oh, my brother, don't worry. My daughter, them, I got a lot of now. Oh,
oh my God, come down here.
Ada, even Thomas, only one guys. Come and take this nonsense out of my face. Ada, Eladish. A friend, you say? Ada, I hope he's not one of those small boys. My daughter, the holy princess. Ada, go inside and get us some drinks and the
Okoro, with the look of things, your daughter's bunker is at stake.
My brother, on up on a TikTok.
No, not in my house. I will fight Betty. Onye Wama, my boy, on Arashi. Don't you know my name?
I trust you, Chief.
Oh well. Mundiche, Oje has arrived.
In a way now. Look at your daughter.
My brother, let me go and investigate what is happening. Ada, my daughter. Ada, what is the problem?
I'm just having
Small what? Ada, you just permit again and say small. My daughter, this my daughter has hungry has been Kuriego.
But no, no.
Ada, you got too pregnant, Ada. Ada, tell me who got you pregnant.
Yeah, this girl. Who got you pregnant?
Stop. Papa, before my Kuriega.
Papa, I'll talk.
You don't know me. You do not know me.
Papa, okay, I'll talk.
It is who? Who one?
It's Chifosago.
Is it Chifoya?
Chifosago.
I say one Chifosago. Guys, you are Swago. A man that is old enough to be your grandfather.
Did you know that Chifoswago is my uncle? Apparently, that him. Chifoswago is my uncle. Apparently, that him.
So, all you want to know is your family member.
You will not understand.
If you can leave my house,
I should leave your house.
If you question in Jamanse, take your leave. We are going to meet your husband today. He's sharing him. Nonsense.
You know why we are here. We are here to discuss on how to feed our father this Christmas. Things are hard. Father must eat. Did you not so? Yes. If you have any contribution, tell me this now.
CWO, please. My fellow women, I suggest that we should all contribute 10,000 naira each to feed our grandfather. You know this is Christmas, and our grandfather must eat. Do we all agree on that? Yes, sir. Who want even? How will we come
hair tie. Okay, cage up, yeah. Because of this, everybody that not pay carry hair tie will pay 10,000 naira fine. Hey, 10,000. What? Hey, in this community, I'll pay 10,000. Hey, it's me. I got it. Give me money. Give money. So that I'll feel like my fellow women. Look at we are now in AOB, any other business. My fellow women, what do we do? Our husbands following all these small girls. I am tired of this. I cannot take this. CWO. Since 6 months now, my husband has not gone to my Jerry. Your own is small. Look at fine woman like me. Young woman like me. Since 9 good months, my husband has not climbed my Jericho. Imagine. He pays to serve Jesus. So, my fellow women, my husband cannot leave me to go and follow small girl. Talk about to touch small girl. Okay, every morning, and I'm doing one in mass every 6 a.m. Be prayerful. So, going to morning mass will stop our husband from chasing all these small women. Don't worry. Early in the morning, 6 o'clock, I got morning mass. My fellow women, I hope all of us here attended marriage courses. Is that not so? So we have to be practicing whatever we are taught in our marriage courses. And for me, I have been practicing my own for a very long time ago. There is a saying that says that if Muhammad does not come to mountain, mountain will go to what? Muhammad. So my fellow women, it implies that if your husband does not come to touch you, you move along and go and touch your husband. Is that not so? Not so.
Follow me, sister. Nonsense. On your make-up. No. Stay your sister. No, nonsense.
This way you came. I hope all is well.
Woman, all can never be well.
Yeah, chief. You are not meant to be here at 9. What are you doing here? What called Joe?
On your Christian mother, your package has arrived.
Package what? Which package are you talking about? Did I skip for me?
On your Christian mother, your daughter's bunker has been couriered.
What have you done?
According to our rules, it's not me that said it. You cannot be part of this gathering till the man that pregnanted your daughter comes to marry her.
Woman, will you keep quiet?
Again.
Go home and tell your husband, Chief Oswago, to come and pick up his package. Woman, your husband, Chief Oswago, couriered my daughter's bunker. Oh, no, Gahishata. Ndara. Praise be unto this house. Father, no. There can never be peace. Here no pieces. What is wrong? Father, I have a very serious complaint against this congregation. Father, this here is my daughter, Father. Father, my daughter here is pregnant. Oh, holy Moses. Oh. Father, another complaint is that, Father, this here is my wife. My wife here is the CWO's women's secretary. Father, her daughter is pregnant. Oh, holy Jesus. Father, I have another serious complaint. Father, the parish council chairman, who is also the town union chairman, husband to the CWO women's president, is responsible for couriering my daughter's bunker. Oh, holy Christ. Oh, Father, I don't like this nonsense. Oh, holy Mary, now, oh, holy Moses. Father, away, Father, President, is she
ndị be anyị ụnụ ahụla otu okwe kesịrị gbaa oke soro ngwere ma mmiri ọkọ ngwere ọkọla oke ka anyị jiri na amamihe sowe ihe isi ike n'obodo anyị ekeresimesi anaghị agwụ agwụ asọ ngasị ndụ dị olileanya na-adị ndị ewo n'o